Hello, this is Shyam Chetwani once again, and just now we have completed our wonderful one-to-one financial consultation call with Mr. Das. He is from Bangalore right now. He is from Bangalore, and it was really amazing knowing you, Mr. Das, with respect to your financial and your personal things, how you have managed so far. So I just would like to know your feedback, your takeaways out of the consultation we had so far. So please give your valuable feedback on this.
Very, very valuable. Though I have been setting aside, trying to plan myself for certain how to financials, but getting a financial advisor opinion as a third party looking at it from 10,000 feet up with a lot of experience makes a big difference. How you split up and how your, for example, X years down the line when you're going to retire compared to the expenses now, how much it will be, and once you retire, the lump sum amount what you need and how long you can survive with that. Those type of insight I never had. It was just a simple interest which used to multiply and try it, but that's not. And moreover, uh, how he advises about what needs to go into SIP planning or how SWP. It was really great. End of the day, he also gave the advice how to plan for the will, the estate inheritance to be done by the next of the kin and other things. It was really great session with Shyam.
Great, great. Thank you very much. I just would like to know quickly, what is your one biggest takeaway out of the call, which you really opened your mind up, and you will definitely will not forget that particular part.
The biggest stake was regarding a term insurance. One is this is one. Second one is a top up for the health plan because we plan for a certain amount, but with time, because of inflationary pressures and other things, that amount erodes. And down the line, 15, 20 years down the line, um, the insurance planning becomes costlier. So that is one take. And the other take is with respect to how he has done analysis of the mutual funds for mid cap, small cap. He's done for others too, but that was really great.
Great. Thank you very much. So I think I also have taken all of your details, and will definitely work more deep into this. And meanwhile, we will also keep connecting again and again for proceed, take your financial planning further. Thank you once again for your kind words and the feedback, and we will stay connected for the same.
Thank you.